here. First thing we're going to do is pop in this personality chip. There we are. It goes in that slot right here. And you can get started with step 1. Tidy it together. Woohoo! Beautiful.
Yeah, I was like, I'm sorry, I'm gonna take it from 1 to 2.
That goes on the lower pole in the top of the cell. From the top.
You're gonna want to take out that antenna that's stopping you right now.
Okay.
Yeah, right off the back. You're gonna put that in there. Yeah, push that down all the way. I just keep it on the table. It's gonna need a little bit of force. Push. Yeah, I'm here. Ryan went on break. Yep. Feel the breeze. Alright. And then for this, the hint is you're looking for, see this little white mark? That's going to be the back. You're just going to attach it to the back. Right? Just like that, it should go nice and tight. Move it around a little bit. Just like that, awesome. You're going to grab this, you're going to screw it together, all right? Good. Awesome. Good. Patch the head onto the body. And I'll grab onto the magnet, just like that. Did we turn on the motivator? You don't think so? Alright, we're gonna have to open it up and check, okay? Go ahead and open up the shelf for me. One hand on top, one hand on the bottom. Good. And it looks like, yes, your motivator is on, so you can close it back up. See, we put it in a personality chip. Good down. Seal that up again. There you go. Cool. Put the head back on. Alright, now I'm gonna take that from you. Thank you very much. I'm gonna put them in here. Right to the computer and do its thing. Come on, computer. Sometimes it takes a while. The droids are a little tired. Now we'll move you over to another one. Alright, just give me this computer. Alright. Alright. Then move you over to this one, okay? When you're ready, you can hit that button for me, alright? the floor because they have a tendency to jump out. So go ahead and put that on the floor for me. So these are going to be your controls, right? This is going to be the head. This is going to be left, right. This is going to make the droid come backwards and forward. Wherever that big eye is looking, that's where it's going to consider forward, right? That's how you're going to use the head to align it where you're going to head, right? Right.
So is the head supposed to spin when I go this way?
Try going forward.
We're not going to eat it also, right?
Is that how it's supposed to be?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.